Hello, this is Hiro from Leathercraft School. Welcome to day 29 of Vinymo course. In the previous lesson, we covered how to backstitch to secure the threads. Now, we are moving on to the next important steps, finishing the thread ends. After backstitch, it's crucial to secure the thread ends so they don't unravel. There are two common ways to finish the thread ends: a seamless method that hides the thread naturally, and the burning method using a lighter, which works best with nylon or polyester thread. In this lesson, we will focus on the first method, which cannot tell you where you finish the thread ends at first glance. Let's dive in! Let's start by saddle stitch until you reach the end hole. Once you reach to the end, let's backstitch 2 to 3 stitches to secure the thread. Now, you are ready to finishing the thread ends. Let's start finishing thread ends. The thread end finishing is made up of 2 main parts: secure the thread ends and hiding the thread ends. First, let's start with secure the thread ends. First, take the thread on the front side and insert it into the previous hole. When inserting needle, please avoid piercing the existing thread inside the stitch hole. Instead, guide the needle along the upper edge of the stitch hole. Pull the needle through to the back. And lay the loop down toward the upper edge of the leather piece. And pull the thread. Then tighten the thread. Now flip the leather over and place the right side thread underneath the left side thread on the back. Then insert the right side thread back into the same hole you just came through. As you pull the needle out, you will see a left side thread is placed inside of the thread loop, and slowly pull the front thread to tighten the loop, and pull the loop into the stitch hole. Once the loop is completely inside the hole, gently pull both threads to tighten them. And please check to ensure the thread loop is hidden inside of the hole from both the front and back side. That's how to secure the thread ends. Let's move on to the next step, how to hide the thread ends. In this step, we will use Scratch All, water-based glue, and thread nippers. First, use the thread nippers to trim the thread close to the stitch hole on both sides. Next, take and Scratch All and apply a small amount of water-based glue to its tip. And press the thread ends to the inside of the hole using the Scratch All. Now, your stitching looks completely seamless, with no visible thread ends on either side. That's all for today. How was it? This seamless method is perfect for projects like a bifold wallet that you will often see the both front and back side of leather parts. The only downside is you will need at least 6/8 or 2.5mm leather thickness for best result. If your leather piece is too thin, don't worry. In the next lesson, we will cover burning method using a lighter, which is great for nylon or polyester threads. Thank you for watching until the end. If you enjoyed today's video, please give me a like and subscribe for more Leathercraft tips. See you in the next video. Bye!